Apple just updated the MacBook Air lineup by introducing the M4 chip and a new color option. Let's unbox the MacBook Air in sky blue together. Once you open up the box, you'll find the power adapter, the product documentation, and a color-matched power cord. How great does this look? The power adapter has a spot to plug in that color-matched cable, as well as an additional USB-C accessory, and the power prongs fold inward, which is nice for travel. This is our first look at the sky blue finish, and if you're looking for a real, punch you in the face blue, you're not getting that. It's very subtle to the point where it still kind of looks gray, but when the light hits it in a certain way, you see blue undertones and shine. The display comes in two different sizes, a 13-inch and a 15-inch model, depending if you want ultra portability or a little bit more screen real estate. And while the color is subtle, I do like the contrast between the keys, including that full function row and the new sky blue finish. I think what's going to be really interesting with this is to see whether or not people are going to want to upgrade to the M4 MacBook Air or consider the M4 MacBook Pro. I have both devices now, so I'm looking forward to doing a comparison on them because my MacBook Pro is just the base M4 chip. So the big advantage would be the MacBook Pro has a better refresh rate on the display, more ports, but the M4 chip being in both devices does even out some barriers. So I'll be curious to test out the M4 MacBook Air against the M4 MacBook Pro. If there's any specific questions you have about this device or the M4 MacBook Pro, please let me know in the comments so I can keep that in mind as I'm working on my review. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. If you want to check out my full review of the M4 MacBook Pro, you can just click this link in the end card here. Thanks so much for watching, and please, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel.